Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable live activities on Target account. So first we're going to go to the Target app. As I told you, guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you guys are here, going to click on My Target, found at the lower right corner. Then next we're going to click on Settings, found at the top right corner. Then once you guys are here, going to scroll downwards. Then click on App Settings. So then it's going to take you to your system settings. So there's the live activities, it's turned on. So we're going to turn it off. So from now on, you won't be notified in banners on your home screen or lock screen about what's going on your account. So this is how you do it. We also have a video on how to turn it on, so you guys can check it out as well. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.